Today we'll be doing today's POD, that is this minimum depth of the binary tree. Okay, so you can read out the question, try it yourself, and today I will be telling you like so many approaches to write the code. Okay, and to debug also, because it's quite easy question, but I was also stuck uh, in a quite few manner. So let's see. You can read out the question yourself. Okay, so you need to find the minimum depth of a tree. So suppose the tree is this. Suppose the tree is this. Okay. Suppose the tree is this. The minimum depth is. This will give you 1. This will give you 1. This will give you 1. Then 2. So the minimum depth is 2. Sorry, 3 I think. 3 is the answer. No, 2 is the answer. Okay. The minimum depth is 2. Okay. So let's see. So what you will do is you are in the root node. You will call the DFS from here to give the minimum depth. You call the DFS from here to give the minimum depth and take the minimum of these two and add 1 to it. Okay, this is the basic approach. Okay, so let's see. So what you will call is, first of all, your DFS will give the minimum depth. Hello, happy Sunday. So what you will do is, like, if there is null node, minimum depth is always 0. So if there is not root, minimum depth is 0. Okay, now you will calculate left value. What will the left value if the left subtree don't exist, right? Okay, then it will be 0. So you will put a condition. You can write the ternary operator in place of it. If root of left exists, then bring me the value of that. Otherwise, it's, you need to take the minimum. It means if you take 0, then it will never update the answer. So in order to calculate the answer, you need to return as max value as default value. Okay, then you will calculate right subtree value. Okay, if the right tree exists, I think C++ well, so there will be no problem in like syntax and all. Okay, then you will return what 1 plus then minimum of both, because depth is like you have to calculate the minimum depth. If left tree returns the minimum value, then this tree or this tree. You can see by example also. I will show you. Okay, so let's run this. Oh, sorry. You need to pass the root, not the value. Okay. So, what is the depth? Where is the tree representation? I don't know where is the tree representation gone. Oh, here it is. So, whatever the minimum will come. So here minimum is 2. Okay, so whatever I explained you is like, if there are two nodes if you read the question nicely, depth is not these edges, depth is the number of nodes. Okay, so here it will be 2, here it will be 3, and the minimum will be 2. Okay, so it's your wish, whatever you define. Okay, I think depth is only the number of node and height is depth minus 1. Okay, let's see. So you have seen that in case 2 also 5 is the depth. So now the question, like, it is not giving correct answer. and you need to debug it. Why it is failing? Okay, so to debug it, just type the root value, what the value is coming at. Like, it is the debug statement, print the left value. I know the solution. Actually, I want to tell you the debug way. If you are doing in your way and you got stuck in somehow, then you can see this way. Okay. So you have seen when you are at 9 node, left and right subtree are returning infinite, and it is obvious also because it does not exist, so it will return infinite. Okay, and that is anyhow spoiling your answer. Okay, so you got it why it is failing. Now you can write, if left value, like in case of only leaf node it will happen, otherwise this node will return something, this node will return infinite, and when you will take minimum it will adjust, so only in the case of leaf node it is breaking. So you can write it, write val equal to 109, then return 0. Okay, now sorry, not return, I think, sorry, not return, you need to assign the left value equal to 0 and right value. And why you are not returning? Actually, if you return from here, like 9, if you return 0, then for 9 the answer is 1 actually, because number of node is 1. Like, okay, so you need to return, like it will give you 0 and it will return 1. Okay, so let's submit the solution. Yeah, so it's quite easy solution. You will calculate the left value, right value, then see the basic condition of leaf node, and then return the answer. Okay, then I will show you all my solution. Like it will also be the same. Let's see this. In this, you are taking answer as infinite, then updating your answer. Okay, and if it is 1e9, it means your left and right subtree have not updated it. Okay, it is 1e9 only, so it means your answer is 1. So like this also you can do, but I will suggest that you stick on one approach, like left value, right value, and whatever you want to do in the current node. Left value means left subtree value and right subtree value. Here I have done with q, and few days earlier I have done this, like left subtree is 1 plus, calculate that. Okay, here we are returning. Okay, so you can try your way, and if you want to debug it, and then you will get to know in what condition it is failing. Thank you, and please at least like it. Okay, if you like it please like it, and subscribe, and I will be bringing daily POD. And only Saturdays and Sundays are off. Other days it is so much easy, so please do it.